wanted to showcase another project that we're in an apartment complex, and they needed security cameras. So, yes, we do cabling, but we're protecting families. We're protecting the investment of the property. You'll see right here just one of our cameras, weatherized outdoor jacket cabling, service loop, drip, sealed. Those cameras, unless there's mechanical, we have a wire going there, multiple wires. I can't showcase everything, but this is what we avoid. This is a perfect example. You get the cheapest price and you're gonna get this stuff. Just all drawn off. So as you'll notice, our cabling, keep it high, tight, and secure. We believe in doing one installation, making a rock solid foundation, and therefore you move forward. So you can do conduit down here, and the majority of stuff was conduit. But again, how do we get from building to building? And you'll see as we're walking up here, there's an aerial cable. And inside that aerial cable, it's actually called a messenger wire. From building to building, you have a metal wire for tension. So if that was just regular wire, it's just gonna sag. So we have clips on both ends, and the metal holds the Cat 6 wire in there. We mounted this and there's 29 buildings over there. Our senior technician, Carl's down the way. But we have enclosures at different buildings. And if we don't want to use aerial wire, we'll use wireless bridges. So you'll notice on these buildings, wireless point to point going to different things. So the run for an aerial didn't look good. So using wireless bridges, we'll use point to point, and we can fire up an entire, basically a mesh network. So again, closures, we decided to do them outside. Some of them are in the mechanical or electrical rooms, but for service or anything like that, and for space, we just use weatherized outside enclosures. You'll have the power source in there, the switches, and uplinks going to the internet and providing beautiful security and investment for not only the investors of these properties, but for the families that live here. Because in about 2 hours, the kids come home from school and they have a ball here. So again, we do Philadelphia metro area, Allentown, King of Prussia, most of New Jersey. And this is actually in Vineland, New Jersey. So there was about 29 apartment complexes. And then we fired up the main office as well. Give us a call, 877-832-1206.